In the beginning, the universe was unimaginably hot and dense. There were no stars, there were no planets. The kinds of matter we know today did not yet exist. Everything was packed together in something like one very hot, very dense cosmic lump. But it was not floating somewhere in empty space. It was the universe itself. And then it began to expand very fast. We call this event the Big Bang. As the universe continued to expand, the hot matter cooled. During the first few minutes, the simplest atomic nuclei formed, mainly the nuclei of hydrogen and helium. The first building blocks of stars were already present. But there were still no stars. As the universe continued to expand, it became cooler. After hundreds of thousands of years, the first atoms formed, mostly hydrogen and helium, but there were still no stars. Nothing filled the universe with visible light. Only vast clouds of gas spread through the darkness. But the gas was not spread perfectly evenly. In some regions, slightly more material had collected. Gravity pulled still more gas towards these denser areas. The clouds slowly contracted. As they became smaller, their swirling motion grew faster, and deep inside them, the gas was squeezed more and more tightly. The center became denser and hotter. It began to glow. Nuclear fusion began, and the first stars were born. More and more stars began to shine in the darkness. Inside these stars, hydrogen was transformed into heavier elements: carbon, oxygen, and iron. Some of the most massive stars lived short and violent lives, and when they reached the end of their lives, they exploded as supernovae. These explosions scattered the newly formed elements across space. The material mixed with great clouds of gas and dust. From this enriched material, new stars were later born. Gravity continued to draw them towards one another. Stars, gas, and dust gathered into immense systems. These systems became galaxies. Some developed long spiral arms, others took on smooth and rounded shapes, and some had no regular shape at all. Billions of galaxies formed throughout the universe, each one filled with stars, and between them stretched vast regions of darkness. One of these galaxies is our home, the Milky Way. In one distant part of it, long ago, our solar system started to take shape. It all began with a vast cloud of gas and dust. gravity slowly drew the cloud inward. More and more matter gathered at its center, making it increasingly hot. The sun was born. But not all of the material fell into it. Part of the cloud remained in orbit around the young sun. This material flattened into a wide, spinning disk. As time passed, the dust, rock, and gas within the disk gradually cooled. Tiny particles collided and stuck together, becoming larger and larger pieces, and then even larger bodies. Over millions of years, the planets of our solar system formed. Along with them, moons, asteroids, and comets also came into being. Among the newly formed planets was the one that would later become our home, the third planet from the Sun, Earth.